A is for apple. Apple. B is for banana. Banana. C is for custard apple. Custard apple. D is for dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. E is for elderberry. Elderberry. F is for fig fruit. Fig fruit. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for honeydew melon. Honeydew melon. I is for Indian prunes. Indian prunes. J is for Java apple. Java apple. K is for kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit. L is for lychee. Lychee. M is for mango. Mango. N is for neem fruit. Neem fruit. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pineapple. Pineapple. Q is for quince. Quince. R is for raspberry. Raspberry. S is for star fruit. Star fruit. T is for tamarind. Tamarind. U is for agni fruit. Agni fruit. V is for vanilla beans. Vanilla beans. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for zango mangosteen. Zango mangosteen. Y is for yang mei. Yang mei. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini.
Subscribe to Early Learning Zone channel for more videos.